Hello everybody, good to see you guys today. Mr. UnBreakIt here with another invention. Well, I'm sure it's an invention. I don't remember exactly what these packages are, but I know it's going to lead to an invention. I'll show you how to open one of these with nothing. I wonder how many paper cuts Amazon's responsible for. Can't wait to open these. Oh man, glucosamine. I got a sore knee. Somebody at the gym told me she takes it for her knee. Of course, she's 70. I'll let you know how if it works or not. Let's try this one. I want to bite it. Try not to do that as much. Okay, this is what I hoped it was. This is called Tech Plate. The Peltier Thermal Electric Plate, if I remember correctly. What they do, well, they turn heat into electricity. So what I'm gonna do, I'll wire this to my phone. So when I put my phone in my pocket, my body heat is gonna trickle charge my phone. Imagine that, just put your phone in your pocket. Now you probably need to shut off your cell network, Wi-Fi, anything that's gonna drain your battery, because you're only gonna get about 3.5 volts out of this, but it will keep coming as long as it's in your pocket or on something warm. Let's see how it goes. Mr. UnBreakIt and the thermal phone charger.